Other than that, fast quality, not okay, that all things will be there. Okay, quality ఇంకా మెయిన్గా ఒక థింగ్, developers will be focused time. Okay, but whatever I am expecting, you people are not saying that. uh, yes, developers mainly focus on programming languages, right? With the help of that programming languages only, they are going to be developing all the softwares, and they will be focusing on the developing softwares or developed softwares. They will be including all the programming languages and interrelated programming languages also, right? So what is the another name for this developing software development, ma'am? What are the another names for the software development? Another name for the software development? Two names I have given. Yes, what are the another name for the software development? Yes, what happened? I'm not getting any response from you. Yes, another name for this software development? Design dash. Should I fill in that? Hmm? Yes. Yes, software development may also called as application development and software designs, right? So mainly here, so developing, we are going to be used for developing like a project, softwares, okay, based on the requirements. Here we are doing the work according to the plan, according to the schedule we are following. And along with that, here we are using this 9 practices. So with the help of these 9 practices, it will be providing clear code, okay, so that the entire team and whoever is working on that particular thing, they can contribute their development, right? So for that only we have seen these 9 practices. One is the incremental requirements. Here, whenever we are going to be started already started projects and we are involving the customers and we are taking the reviews from there, okay, if any requirements are there, if given by the customer, then we are adding that all the requirements in the incremental wise in iterations, right? And customer test means here we are going to be communicating the priorities, okay, whatever the customer has given the requirements or whatever the project we have given to them, okay, we are giving the instructions, demonstrations, okay, and we are describing about that, is customer is okay or not okay, like that. So here how we are giving the priorities means by communicating. So mainly here developers teams will be giving the priority and helping them to describe and demonstrate how it is working. And what is this TDD? Here, mainly it will be allowing the programmers, right, to focus on the code and they have to think how it is working. Okay, if any problems are there, fix that bugs and issues. Okay, if you are unable to solve that problem, then refactor it. Okay, change the code or do something else. But finally, you have to make a quality of the product that should be work, right? So like that, this refactoring mainly it is used to improve the code quality and we are going to be changing the behavior. So who is going to be done this all things means here programmers will be doing, right? So next simple design, whatever the projects we are developing, okay, it should be support, okay, it should be easily understand, right? It should not be a difficult for the customer or whoever are going to be working on that, right? So mainly the simple design allows the design to change to support any features or request, right? No matter how surprising. So like that it will be supporting and it should be understandable, okay, according to the customer need and the requirement, it should be focus on that. And you have to make as much easy as, right? And incremental design and architecture, mainly this incremental design means after gathering all the requirements, here programmers are going to be working on that particular features. Okay, whatever the features are given, okay, whatever the stories or whatever the requirements given by the customer, okay, parallelly they will be working with the their own projects. Okay, already the team who is working on the project, and in between whatever the requirements they got, okay, and whatever the features they need to add, okay, on these all things they will be working parallelly, they are not going to be stopping. So here with technical infrastructure they all will be working parallelly. Okay, they are not going to stop that project. Okay, whatever the project is there, now I want to develop the project within this 10 days or some 3 months. Okay, in this 3 months we are going to be releasing as a iteration. Okay, whatever the project మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, ఒక ఇటరేషన్ వైజ్ వీక్లీ ఓ 1 week రిలీజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. అంటే దాన్ని బట్టి ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, from there we are gathering all the requirements, feedbacks. According to that we are doing the changes, and parallelly we are working with the project. Within 3 months we have to complete, okay, along with the new features also, like that. And spike solution, mainly it is used to control the experiments to provide the information. And it is going to be like whatever, whenever we are working on the project, okay, previous, so whatever the templates, anything happened to that, okay, so that we can, what we can do, okay, any solution previously we have used these technologies, this was affected or this was good, okay, like that comparisons they will be doing. And according to that information they will be controlling their project, and they will be including what to they will be taking the decision what to include and what not. Okay, and performance optimization means uses the hard data to the drive optimization effort. Whatever the performance is there, okay, either it is a good or bad, whatever the feedbacks they are receiving, okay, they will be checking that all things, and they will be keeping some effort on that and try to rectifying that all the issues, right? So like that. And exploratory testing means they will be enabling the testers, here they will be doing the testing like in any gaps are there, okay, team is supporting or not throughout the process, okay, before releasing the product they will be checking, means keen observation will be there. Okay, exploratory test is nothing but here testers are going to be identifying the gaps, is anything is happened, okay, if anything is happened means what to do, what will be the solution, and team is supporting to that or not, okay, team is involving in that throughout the process or not, okay, like the things they are going to be identifying, means all testings will be done here, right? So this is about the nine practices for the development, right? So mainly it is used for the development of the software for standalone or either individual softwares can be created, but by using some programming languages, so these programming languages can be written in a series, of interrelated programming code, whatever the suitable code is there, okay, for that we can add that and we can provide the functionality, and finally we have to develop the software, right? So like this, with the help of these nine practices, here we are going to be cleaning the code, and team will be trying to focus on the development, right? So this is about the like developing with nine practices, right? So how the before developing anything, first of all we have to clean everything, right? We have discussed one examples also in hospitals whenever the patients are visiting, okay, so how should be clean, okay, we have to get good health, means first of all the environment should be clean, then only we can focus on other things, okay, like that. So that is about the this that is about